really using technology as a differentiator for us. We're using technology to gain a competitive advantage, and we're using technology to really define our brand going forward. And of course, we're doing all of that through partnerships. So once again, could you just join me in another round of applause to say thanks to Derek for his time this morning. Okay, so moving us on with our programme, I'd now like to welcome our next speaker, Anup. Anup heads the automotive line of business at KPTI Cummins. KPTI Cummins is a leader in automotive software innovation that partners with the global automotive OEMs and suppliers to develop technologies that continually enhance the driving experience for the more imaginative and eco-sensitive consumers. In this role, Anup is responsible for managing relationships with customers, helping them to globalize and standardize more efficiently. He's been instrumental in creating a robust delivery ecosystem to clients which enables them to bring complex technologies, products and systems faster to their target markets. Anup is absolutely passionate about the technology that goes inside a car. He began his career as a research engineer at the Automotive Research Association in India, and then joined KPTI Cummins in 1994. With over 15 years of experience in the field of automotive electronics across all subsystems of an automobile, Anup has played a key role in setting up the automotive electronic practices at KPIT, which has grown to a 2,000 plus people organisation. Anup has authored numerous articles and is a frequent speaker on automotive technology and electronics. So with that, please join me in welcoming Anup Sahal.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. Thanks, Paul, for the kind introduction. And for those of you who I met last year, I've lost a couple of weights and gained a couple of inches on my mustaches. So it's been a great pleasure as always being here. KPIT Cummins is a committed organization to the automotive industry. And we believe that here, Convergence is a great opportunity for us to showcase our commitment to the industry. And it's a very small gesture to say thanks to all of our customers who've made it possible, trusted in us to actually give us business and make us grow in excess of 50% in the last couple of years. And so this is a small way of saying thank you very much, all of you, for doing business with us, and we hope to serve you even better in the future. For some of us who probably are not aware, thanks to Wikipedia, I could find out the meaning of what blue ribbon actually means. Yeah, and it is actually a term that was used previously, and it came from a concept called as blue riband with a D, which was actually a term used where a felicitation done for the passenger liners that used to go across the Atlantic. And it was actually given to the, felicited to the fastest passenger liner that used to go across the Atlantic. And that's where the term has come from. And in today's world, blue ribbon is actually used in context of something that is dedicated to quality. And it is often now used as a term where a group of very intelligent people come together and look at solving a specific problem or addressing a specific situation, which is in context of those particular times. So, these are very interesting times today. There are newer challenges that come in front of automotive industries. There are new markets, there are new technologies, there are new regulations. But these are what I could call, the linear challenges that are coming in. I think if you look at the non-linear challenges, there are certain paradigm shifts that are happening in the industry, which were discussed earlier. From where I come, the new generation spends almost 2 times the monthly salary on a new phone that they replace every 6 months. Okay, so it's a huge set of population which is having a large amount of disposable income that is growing up in certain growing economies. Okay. There are children that I see, there are 5-year-olds who actually pounce on the new phones that their parents have bought, these smartphones, and are probably the first one to teach their parents what feature it has. They actually show them the new games, they actually expose them to the newer features, which the parents are completely unaware. You know, typically people my age, 40 plus, are completely unaware of these features. And I was privy to a serious debate of a 5-year-old with his parent, and the debate was about the child asking the father why the father thought he could not drive a car. It was a very, very serious debate for about 2 hours. So I think we are looking at completely new paradigm shifts. There are pressures being put in terms of time. So we have certain basic methodology challenges, in terms of project management, in terms of delivery of the products that we deliver to the market. There are paradigms like agile, which are to be used in sensitive environments like automotive, where safety is of utmost concern, and these are posing bigger problems to us. So I think these are all very, very exciting times, which calls for newer thoughts on how things should go together. So these also call for breaking up some of the original thoughts, original line of thinkings about how companies have to work together. These are times when companies have to come together in newer business models, in newer relationships. And of course, there are newer companies that will come to the table in terms of bringing what they think are their solutions to the new generation challenges that lie in front of automotive industry. So as a company, we would like to be part of this interesting journey, and we thank you very much for allowing our participation in this process. Let me introduce the moderator for this session. Obviously, there's no introduction required for John Woniak, but I think there are some great achievements done by John which I have to go through. He is the Vice President of Vehicle Technology and leads SEMA's Advanced Vehicle Technology Strategy Programs and Initiatives. His role is to help performance aftermarket companies understand the challenges, develop solutions, and capitalize on new business opportunities presented by today's complex vehicle technology and systems. Woniak is a proven industry leader who has worked for automotive, motorsports, aerospace, and consumer product companies for the last 25 years, with specific expertise in vehicle systems engineering and collaborative product development. Woniak also serves as a primary contact for SEMA members to reach automakers and original equipment suppliers on vehicle architecture and systems integration issues. He was instrumental in forming an alliance between the SEMA and CEA that resulted in Automotive Electronics Connectivity Committee. He currently serves as a member of Carroll A. Campbell Junior Graduate Engineering Center Industrial Advisory Board at Clemson University and Progressive Insurance Automotive X-Prize Administration Advisory Board. Prior to joining SEMA, Woniak has executive management positions with a range of global companies, including Tata Motors, Johnson Controls, General Motors, Hughes Aircraft, Northrop, and No Fear. His visionary and entrepreneurial leadership skills played an integral role in helping these companies develop and implement innovative strategies for adopting the best business and technology practices for lean product development, customer-centric growth, and improved profitability. Woniak earned a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from University of Michigan. He has a master's degree in mechanical and industrial engineering from the University of Illinois and master's degree in engineering management from West Coast University. He also graduated from the California Institute's Technology's Executive Engineering Management program. He's an avid industry and motocross enthusiast. He resides in West Bloomfield, Michigan, with his wife Terry and two sons, Scott and Jeff. Please help me in welcoming John to the podium. Thanks.